Hi everyone, Tasha K here. Dreadz by Tasha K. Tasha K Accessories, whichever you want to say. We're back with another video, but this is the first video of me actually doing a client and showing you guys how I do my retwist. I do a comb retwist and I also palm roll the ends. I'm just going to be showing you basically how I do it. Maybe it can help you or somebody you may know who wants to learn how to do it. Please excuse me if I mess up. This is my first time doing a voiceover. First time really editing a video. So I'm trying. Work with me, please. But yeah, so I'm a New Jersey lock stylist. New Jersey lock stylist. I've been doing locks for over 15 years. It may be about 17 years now. I do anything pertaining to locks. I do a lot of reconstruction, meaning I repair a lot of locks. I love what I do. And I hope you guys will subscribe and keep up. It'll be more content than just doing hair, but this one right here is for locks and anybody who wants to learn how to do it. I've been getting a lot of requests with people wanting me to do classes, and I don't know if I can do the classes. I'm still thinking about it. I'm not completely pushing that away as an option for me, but I'm also going to try to get videos out there to help just in case I decide not to do the classes. So this method that I'm doing right now is called a comb twist. A lot of people use the comb twist method. Mine is a little different. I'm not sure if there are many people using this method. It may be, but the majority of people will go under with their comb. I go over, and it gives it like that flat twist look. If you look, you can really see it. I wish I knew how to edit, because I would try to zoom in, and I also got to try to record a little better. Okay. So I'm trying to basically wait until we get to another row where you guys can see on the right side, so that it can be a little closer and you can see more. So you can't really see what I'm doing over there. But yeah, okay, so guys, if you can just do me a little tiny favor and just hit the subscribe button and like this video and share it, I would deeply appreciate it. Please help me get there. Okay, so if we have any lock stylists or anybody that just does locks or does your own hair, does your own locks, because we're going to be talking about locks with this one, comment below. Comment the state you're in. Give me some, locations, salon names, shout yourself out. I know my page is not big, but eventually we hoping to get big. That's the goal. And, you never know what may happen. Somebody might go through the comment section, see you in their area, and, check you out. But, yeah, so right here, I am starting a whole nother row. And I'm separating the hair. Her hair is what you would call mature. Her locks are mature locks. Excuse me, I gotta, get my words together. She has mature locks. She been growing locks for about, how long? It's been a long time. Because she had them before she came to me, so no, matter of fact, I think she had her locks for about 10 years. And I was like, I think the second stylist who done her hair. I didn't start her locks. I just been maintaining it since. I'm cleaning the parts. Well, now I'm adjusting the camera. Trying to get you guys a good look at what I'm doing. Come on, Tasha K. Okay, give us a second. We're going to get it in. Boom. Okay. So now we're separating the locks, cleaning up here that may have, wandered over to the next lock, cleaning up the parts. So now I'm taking my comb, I'm going over, and now we're twisting. I have to explain that that the way that you would do it, I guess, in depth. I might have to learn how to slow the video down. Let me get this together. Okay, so clipping it down. We're going for the next lock, cleaning up the parts. And you want to be careful when you're cleaning up those parts. You don't want to pull too much hair, whereas though you're just ripping hair. When I'm cleaning the parts, I'm actually looking for maybe 1 or 2 strands that's just out of place, and that's holding the locks together. So therefore, it doesn't really hurt the clients when I'm separating that hair. And if it does, I will get a comb, scissors and cut. But it's the way that you cut, because you don't want to cut the locks to the point where it's damaged. So we're doing a twist. Go over, and you turn in the comb. You want to put your finger at the tip of the comb and, just wrap the dread, like releasing it. Because if you do this method, you will feel the comb getting tight. And then, of course, palm roll down. I'm sorry if I'm not explaining this good. I'm trying to keep up with the video. That's why I said I need to learn how to edit a little better so that I can slow things down and then, explain it a little better, whereas though I can keep up with the actual footage. I think I slowed it down here. So I'm lifting, holding it with my finger, turning. I feel it getting tight, so now I'm taking my comb out, because if you keep going when your comb is getting tight within the hair, like the hair is tightening around the comb because you're losing space to twist, that's when your comb gets stuck. If you have problems like that when you're using a comb, that's because you have to know when to remove the comb. Parting again. Now we're twisting. Take that finger, hold the hair down. You got to hold the tip of the comb. See how I'm holding that tip? I know I'm taking the hair out then, but I was holding the tip so that the hair wouldn't slide up off the comb while I'm trying to go in for my second turn on the comb twist. Now I'm clipping it down. And when you clip, you don't want to clip too tight. The comb twist is going to be your tightness. And then when you palm roll down, that's going to tighten it up more. It's not, like I said, it's not a lot where it's hurting your client, but just enough so that the retwist, can last. And twist. Release the comb. Palm roll down all the way down to the end. And then clip. And that's another thing, learning how to place your clips. If you don't know how to do that, trust me, it takes time to do all of this. And eventually you'll get it. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just keep practicing. So retwisting, twisting. See how it's getting tighter at the root? But it's not tight, again, where the client's head is hurting or where as though you're damaging the hair follicles. You don't want no clients coming back talking about they got a bald spot or the tight bumps and, things like that. You're going to have some clients that's tender-headed, but, that's what the scissors are for, or either, they got to work with you. And you can avoid a lot of that tangled up, like locks getting stuck together, by getting your hair done at the scheduled time that you're supposed to. I normally tell my clients to come every 4 to 6 weeks, 8 weeks the most. And if you can't make it within that time, wash. And the main thing that you can do is wash and grease your scalp. We want to keep that hair nice and moisturized. That's, you got to feed your scalp, and your scalp is going to feed your hair. And then that's when your hair will grow, and it will get long and long and long and long, Okay. Okay, I'm warming up. So, all right. So, yeah, we, trying to kill time till we get to the other side. Well, not use that word. Trying to, waste time till we get to the other side. Not waste time, but, you get me. Follow me here. Work with me. Now we back on the right side. Adjusting the camera again. I promise you guys this next video will be way better than this. And if hopefully I was able to edit this video a little bit more so that, you know, the other stuff, this stuff here won't be showing. I'm learning. And yeah, so we're adjusting. We're trying to get it right. I'm trying to make sure that you all can see it. I'm looking forward to this being a good YouTube channel. I'm looking forward to us having a lot of fun here. And it's just being successful. And for everybody to just learn how to do the retwist. Anything with locks, pertaining to locks, anything I can show you, I'm going to put it up here. Okay. Now, what am I doing? I think, yeah. You know what? This was the first tripod that I bought, so it was a little flimsy. And if you would have seen my setup, I think I had to use like a can or something to hold it up because the phone kept falling over. The whole tripod kept falling over. Yeah, it was a mess. But now right there, I was greasing. You have to put grease on the scalp. You know, you always want to feed your scalp. So that was hair grease. And you can use any hair grease that you like, anything that you prefer, or if you have problems with your scalp, whatever, you know, hair grease is formulated for that problem. Now, what I just put on there, you see me wiping down, that's the actual locking cream. So that's what I use to help lock and mold the twist. And I'm cleaning the parts again. See how it was just like a couple strands. And it may not even be attached. It's just, you know, you're just separating it. You can't really see with this angle, but I'm twisting. And then I'm taking the comb out. Because I, again, felt it getting tight. And, you know, you don't want to struggle taking that comb out because you can pop hair, you know, rip hair. You can hurt your client. Or just damage follicles. We don't want damaged follicles. And you got to remember they constant, you know, I wouldn't say constantly, but you know, you're parting those parts every time and retwisting in the same area. So, you know, you don't want to mess it, you know, just ripping hair out every time they come get a retwist. That's not good. So this is the palm twist. And with the palm twist, you're just holding the hair, you know, just rolling all the way down to the end of the lock, and then you clipping down. This video. Okay, so again, hold that piece so that it don't slide up and off the comb, because once you do it, you will notice that comb, the hair will slide out of the comb, excuse me. It will slide out, so you have to make sure like the tip of the comb, the base at the head of the comb is actually, you know, sitting on the scalp while you're lifting the hair. See how it's sitting on the scalp? And then I lift and turn. Palm roll down, and clip. And I went and added another one up there because maybe I'm assuming the lock, the clips that was there wasn't going to hold that lock in. It eventually would have slipped out and loosened up. And you know they have to, once you finish retwist, I don't know, some styles will style the client's hair wet. I don't normally like styling it wet because, you know, that can lead to fungus and odors and all that stuff. So I always put my client under the dryer. And then after they're dry, or at least dry to the touch, then I style. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'm hoping I can add pictures and stuff in of the style at the end. But if not, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have gotten something from this. Like I said, subscribe. We're going to have more videos. I want us to go on this journey together. And I'm just looking forward to you guys being a part of the channel. Share me. I appreciate it. So, also, you can share, like, comment. If you're a hairstylist or whatever, let me know what city, what state. Let me know where you at. And just stay tuned. I'm trying here. And I hope you guys like the video. And this is Tosha K. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.